We can apply the identity for x plus a, x plus b, x plus c directly for this problem, or group the factors and then apply distribution law. Group any two of the factors. Here I have grouped x minus 2 and x plus 3. The identity for x plus a into x plus b can also be used for this group. Here I am using distribution law. After multiplying the factors, group the like terms together. Here 3x minus 2x becomes 1x. Now apply distribution law one more time. After applying the distribution law and multiplying the factors, group the like terms together. Group x square and 7x square minus 6x and 7x.